Well, sometimes you do find some cool shit on the internet. Looked at how to make 180-degree linkage. Got that linear actuator, couple link rods, old hub out of golf cart. Yeah, she's a beauty. No more backpack leaf blowers, but we'll see how she do. Slower than death on crutches, but that's pretty damn cool. Go out there, rev that sucker up. Oh yeah. Feeling all that shit up. Yeah, I don't want to get too far in the nails, but right out of the neighbors. I guess I could go this way too. I don't know. Wrong gear. Really cool. And then that's insane. I like it. This looks like she's designed for it.